Sagutan natin tong problem. Evaluate the integral of cosine x dx over sine squared x minus 5 sine x minus 6. Okay, so actually pwede natin gamitan to ng partial fraction decomposition since we have a rational expression. Pero, i-convert muna natin into rational algebraic expression itong given integral natin by using new substitution. Okay, kasi meron tayong mga trigonometric terms sa fraction natin, right? So, applying u sub, we can let u be equal to sine x. Okay? Then get the derivative of u du and derivative of sine x, that's cosine x dx. So, ito yung cosine x dx sa integral natin. Pag sinubstitute natin mamaya, du na lang siya. So, substituting, magiging integral ng cosine x dx is du na lang over sine x is u, pero may squared siya, so magiging u squared. Then minus 5 sine x uli, u, then minus 6. So, naging rational algebraic expression na siya in u. So, applying partial fraction decomposition. So, by the way, check nyo muna kung proper or improper. So, proper naman siya kasi yung numerator natin is 1. Okay, yung degree ng numerator which is 0 degree is less than sa degree ng denominator which is 2. So, kapag proper, hindi natin kailangang mag-long division. Proceed na tayo sa partial fraction decomposition. So, case 1 ito ng partial fraction decomposition. Pero, i-factor muna natin yung denominator. So, by partial fraction decomposition or PFD for short, yung integral natin na 1 over, etong u squared minus 5, yung minus 6, i-factor natin. So, dalawang binomial factors yan. So, isip ng factors ng u squared, u and u. Then, isip ng factors ng negative 6 kapag inad is negative 5. Okay, so that's negative 6 and positive 1. Okay, so meron tayong case 1 kasi meron tayong linear factors na non-repeating. So pag ganyan, consider nyo lang yung dalawang linear factor. So magkaroon kayo ng over u minus 6 and then over u plus 1. And then lagyan nyo ng unknown constant. Let's say capital A for u minus 6 and capital B for u plus 1. Okay, so ito yung partial fraction decomposition ng original fraction. So, i-multiply natin to both sides by the LCD which is u minus 6 times u plus 1. Okay, yung original denominator. So, distribute. So, 1 over u minus 6 times u plus 1 times u minus 6 times u plus 1. So, cancel lahat yan. Matitira is 1. Then, a over u minus 6 times u minus 6 times u plus 1. Cancel si u minus 6. Matitira is a times u plus 1 plus sa b over u plus 1 naman times the LCD, u minus 6 times u plus 1. Makakancel sa u plus 1. Matitira is p times u minus 6. Okay, so by cover up method, okay, pwede tayong mag-set ng value ng u para ma-solve natin directly yung isang unknown. So kung gusto nating i-solve si a, so yung naka-multiply na linear factor kay b, which is u minus 6 equate to 0, u minus 6 equals 0, then solve for u. Bale, u is transpose negative 6 to the right, positive 6. So if we set 6 be equal to u, therefore yung direct value ng a, pwede nating makuha as yung left side 1, gawin nyo siyang numerator, over yung coefficient ng a na u plus 1, then evaluate ito at u equal to 6. So, papalitan nyo lahat ng mga u ng 6. Bali, we have 1 over u, which is 6 plus 1. So, a is 1 over 6 plus 1 or 1/7. Kung gusto nyo naman ma-solve si b, pwede nating iset u be equal to, so yung coefficient naman ni a, which is u plus 1, equate nyo to 0, then solve for u. Bale, transpose sa 1 sa kanan, bale u is negative 1. So, isa-set natin u na negative 1. Then, yung value ni b is, again, yung left side natin, which is 1, siya yung numerator, over the coefficient ni b, which is u minus 6. Pero, evaluated ito at, okay, u is equal to negative 1. So, balitan nyo lahat ng mga u ng negative 1 dito. Bali, 1 over u, negative 1 minus 6. So 1 over negative 7 or negative 1/7. So palitan na ngayon natin yung mga values ng a and b sa partial fraction. Bale, yung original integral natin is integral ng 1 over u minus 6 times u plus 1 du equal to the integral nitong sum of partial fractions. So yung a, palitan nyo na, that's 1/7 then over u minus 6 plus yung b din, palit nyo, negative 1/7 over u plus 1 times du. So, meron tayong two terms, distribute yung integral symbol together with the du. Tapos, gilid nyo yung mga constant. So, yung 1/7 gilid. Then, times integral ng 1 over u minus 6 du. Then, ito ring negative 1/7 constant gilid. Times the integral ng 1 over u plus 1 du. So, ito mga integral shielding natural logarithm yan. Shortcut formula, integral ng dx over x plus a, okay, is palaging ln ng denominator x plus a plus c. Kung yung coefficient lang nung x nyo is 1. Parang dito, yung coefficient lang nung mga u is 1. So, mga integral nito is ln lang nung denominator. Okay? So, applying the formula, we have 1/7 integral ng 1 over u minus 6 du is ln ng u minus 6. Then minus 1/7 integral ng 1 over u plus 1 is ln ng u plus 1. Then don't forget plus c for the constant of integration. Ang final step is ibabalik nyo yung u in terms of x, which is sine x. So, we will have 1/7 ln of u palitan ng sine x minus 6 minus 1/7 ln u ulit palitan ng sine x plus 1 plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay? Okay, kayo naman. Try to evaluate the integral of cosine x dx over sine squared x minus sine x minus 12 and just comment your answers.